Today we're introducing you to the heart of Salt Lake City. Let's find out what downtown Salt Lake City is all about. Let's just hop right into it. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time here, I'm Laura Rosequist and I'm your realtor here in the state of Utah. And this channel is all about where to live in Utah, selling a home, buying a home, property tours, and the real estate market here in Utah. If this is of interest to you, consider hitting the subscribe button and ring the bell. We're releasing new content on a weekly basis. Downtown Salt Lake City is the beating heart of Utah's capital, and it's known for its vibrant urban life and entertainment scene. With its dynamic mix of businesses, dining, and entertainment options, this area is ideal for those who want to be in the center of it all, where all excitement is. So living in downtown Salt Lake City is convenient, and you'll find yourself within walking distance to some of the best restaurants, bars, cafes. Caters to every taste and style. The City Creek Mall is downtown, and it's a favorite place to eat and to shop. I love the Cheesecake Factory, which is located right down there. And downtown Salt Lake City offers a variety of other shopping opportunities as well, from unique boutiques to well-known retail stores, ensuring that you'll never run out of places to explore. There's also a Harmon's grocery store downtown as well. Sports fans will love the proximity to venues like the Delta Center, where you can catch a Utah Jazz game or one of the many high-profile concerts and events. In addition, the city's numerous parks and nearby Wasatch Mountains offers plenty of outdoor activities, from hiking to biking in the summer to skiing and snowboarding in the wintertime. And downtown housing options, it's diverse. It ranges from sleek to modern high-rise condos to historic lofts that has lots of character. And prices can range widely, but many properties that have stunning views of the city skyline and the surrounding mountains will be more money. Now, whether you're a young professional or a student at one of the nearby universities, or someone looking to enjoy urban living, you'll find a place that fits your lifestyle here. Now, the demographic of downtown Salt Lake City is diverse. It attracts people from all walks of life. There are numerous local events, farmers markets, and festivals that bring residents together, not only from the downtown area, but from the surrounding cities that are pretty close by. The transportation is convenient, including the TRAX light rail and bus services, making getting around the city easy and a breeze. Plus, the Salt Lake International Airport is just a short drive away. So let's talk about some of the pros and cons and recap of some of what we said in living in downtown Salt Lake City. So one of the pros would be the walking distance to dining, shopping, entertainment, and workplaces. In fact, when I talked about housing, you can actually live in condos right above City Creek Mall. And City Creek Mall it crosses the street, so the mall is on both sides of the street, and it has a lot of different dining options as well as shopping options. It's close to theaters and museums. It's quick access to the Delta Center, what used to be the Vivint Center, but now Delta Center. And there's also other various venues as well. So let's talk about some of the cons. It's generally higher prices for housing and amenities compared to other areas. There's an increased noise level with all the hustle and bustle that is typical for urban life. There's potential for traffic congestion, especially during peak hours and events. There's limited parking spaces, and it's expensive to park downtown. Sometimes, it requires, paid parking permits. And then we also have the parking along the street that is paid as well. Overall, downtown Salt Lake City, it offers an exciting and convenient lifestyle that situates you right in the heart of the action and the culture. And if this is of interest to you in the downtown Salt Lake area, this just might be for you. So I'm always available. Give me a call. If you are not moving to Utah but are moving somewhere else, go ahead and contact me. I'm connected with realtors throughout the country and can set you up with a really good realtor. But if you are interested in learning how to buy a home, sell a home, what the pros and cons of home ownership are, as well of each neighborhood in the Salt Lake City area, as well as Davis County and Utah County, and even down into the Washington area, I'd be happy to show you around. Subscribe to this channel. I'm making videos of all the neighborhoods. So stay tuned.